Okay, guys, now for example 7, letter B. Same idea. We've still got our parent function there. I'm going to go back over how to set up your parent table. So remember, your parent function is going to be log base 3 of x. And since it's a log function, we set it equal to y. And we know that we can take and make that into an exponential function by rewriting it as 3 to the y equals x. So when I go to make my parent table here, remember since y is the exponent, you're going to pick some y values to plug in. And we always pick from -2 to +2. So we plug those in and we get 1/9, 1/3, 1, 3, and 9. And because it's log parent function, we always have a vertical asymptote at x equals 0. Now, for this problem here, we see that we've got log base 3 of x plus 2. Well, first, tell me, what is that 2 going to do to my graph? It's inside parentheses, so we know it's horizontal. It's going to, it's a plus or a minus, which means it's going to be a shift. Now, horizontal shifts go left or right. Which direction is a +2 going to make us go? Well, inside with x, it always does the opposite. So the +2 is going to actually make us go to the left 2 places. So when I go to make my table for this problem, that's going to affect my x values. How? Well, it says +2, but we know we always do the opposite, so we're going to subtract 2 from our x's. My y's are going to stay the same, so I'm just going to real quick here rewrite those y values. And then I'm going to subtract 2 from all my x's. So I'm going to have to do the 1/9 minus 2, which gives me approximately -1.9. Then I can do 1/3 minus 2, which is going to give me about -1.7. 1 minus 2 is -1, 3 minus 2, and 9 minus 2. But again, I have this vertical asymptote, and this time it is going to be affected because if I take that non-parent one of x equals 0 and I subtract 2, or I move it to the left 2, it's going to put it over at -2 this time. Alright, so let's graph this one. So I'm going to go ahead and graph my vertical asymptote. Okay, and then let's graph our points. So -1.9 and -2, and -1.6, -1, -1, 0, 2, 1, and then 7, 2. So when we graph these, we can see our graph looks like that. All right, hope that helped, guys.